Selecting different operating modes. To change operating modes, access the Programming menu by holding down the Select button until the Programming menu appears on the screen. You will notice that Mode is flashing. Press the Select button to confirm the selection. At any time, you can set the thermostat to follow any of the 6 operating modes. Manual mode. In manual mode, the programmed schedule is not followed. Use this mode if you want to set the temperature manually. The thermostat will maintain the manually set temperature until you manually change the temperature or if you switch to another operating mode. Automatic mode. Use automatic mode if you want the thermostat to follow the programmed schedule. Workday mode. Use workday mode if you want the thermostat to follow the workday program. The thermostat will repeat the programmed schedule for workdays until you switch to another operating mode. Home day mode. Use home day mode if you want the thermostat to follow the home day program. The thermostat will repeat the programmed schedule for home days until you switch to another operating mode. Away mode. Use away mode when you want the thermostat to maintain a lower temperature for an extended period of time. Off mode. Use off mode to turn off the floor heating system. The thermostat still displays the clock but will not display any temperature readings. Press the up or down buttons until the desired operating mode is displayed. Once the desired operating mode is displayed, press the Select button. To exit to the main screen, press and hold the Select button.